Now let's look at the applications or the problem involving geometric formulas. In number 4, we determine the surface area of the box, whose the length L is 11 feet, the width W is 5 feet, and the height H is 7 feet. The surface area consists of the area of the top and the bottom, which is the same, top and bottom, and on the side, back and forth, and also another side at opposite. So let's use a notation like SA as a surface area. So SA, surface area, is the sum of the area of the top and bottom. I'm going to use the green one. So the dimension of the top going to be the length times the width. So me twice because top and bottom. So the length times the width and added by the surface area of the front and back. The front and back, the dimension would be the length times the height. So twice the length times the height. And then the left and the right side of the box, I use the purple one. So twice of them, the dimension will be W times H. And now we have the equation that represent the surface area of this box. Next, we're gonna replace the value for L, W, and H as given. So the value L is 11. The value W is 5. The L is 11 and the height is 7. W is 5. The height is 7. And then simplify the numbers. 2 times 10 times 5, that becomes 110. 2 times 11 times 7, that is 154. And 2 times 5 times 7, that is 70. And then we combine these numbers together. So 110 plus 154 plus 70. The result is 334. And unit is square feet. For this application, Bill and Dee are buying a new house. The house is a right cylinder based on a trapezoid atop a rectangular prism. The bases of the trapezoids are 10 meters and 8 meters respectively. Use the uppercase B as the wider base of the trapezoid and the lowercase b as the shorter, which is 8. The length L is 15 meters. The height of the house up to the bottom of the roof is 3 meters. And the height of the roof as the lowercase h is 1. I'm gonna write over here as h is 1. Find the volume of the house. So our goal is to find the volume. So the volume as a V, use the notation V, would be the volume of the rectangular prism as the base of the house. And the volume of the top. Let's put dimensions of these two geometric shapes. For the rectangular prism, the base B is 10, would be the same as the base of the house. and the height, the uppercase H equals 3, the length of the house, which is the L, equals 15. And for the top or the roof part, uppercase B or the wider base is 10, the lowercase b, the shorter base is 8, the length is 15, and the height as a lowercase h equals 1. So we're going to find the volume of the box, which is the length times width times the height, or the uppercase B times the L times the uppercase H, and then the volume of the trapezoid top. For the front part, as the area of the trapezoid, the formula is 1/2 times the height, which is 1, times the sum of the parallel sides, which is the two bases. So the uppercase B and the lowercase b. And then we multiply by the length. After that, we just replace each variable with the value that provided for us. Uppercase B is 10, so it'll be 10 multiplied by the length, which is 15, multiplied by the height, uppercase H, which is 3, plus 1/2 times the lowercase h, which is the height of the top part of the house, which is 1, times the sum of the two bases. Uppercase B is 10, lowercase b is 8, and then multiply by the length, which is 15, and then simplify the expression. So 10 times 15 times 3 is 450. And then the second term is 1/2 times 18 times 15. It is 135. So we add these two numbers together. That becomes 585. And the unit is cubic meters as the volume of this house.